Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atinuke. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this lovely DIY bob braid wig with beads. So I use Lagos braids and Lagos braid attachment and normal braiding attachment. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm laying my closure down now. After I finish laying my closure down, I'm going to sew it down. So can you please keep on watching this amazing tutorial? And guys, I DIY this closure myself. The tutorial is on my YouTube channel. Kindly check that out also. So after I'm done sewing it down, I'll use my metallic pen. If you are not new on my channel, you know this is what I do. This is a very beginner friendly method. You can see I skipped two lines. I did not braid at those lines. I skipped two lines, then I crocheted some hair down before I start braiding. The main reason why I skipped two lines is I want the hair to be very bob. I want it to be the same length. If I braid those back, the one at the back, it will be too short for me to put beads or something like that. It won't form the bob I want. Then the main reason why I use Lagos braid and normal braiding hair, I want the top, as in, how will I put it? I want the length to be thick. I don't want it to be tiny. I want it to be thick towards the end so it will be easier for me to knot the bead inside. So that is why I did cut two for the top of the normal braid. While the Lagos braid, they've already pre-pluck or pre-pick it down. I hope you understand what I'm saying. This method is very fast for me. Crochet down and I keep on braiding. At this part, I crochet close to each other. Make sure you crochet the braid close to each other so that it's going to cover the needle and thread we sewed. So that it's going to cover it. Make sure you crochet very close to each other. Can you see what I did at the back? I braid to the back. I braid the edge to the back. Normal braiding. So after I finish sectioning the hair, I'm going to braid it normal cornrow with attachment. I'm not doing Ghana weaving. No, normal braiding with attachment. You can see what I did. I joined the attachment together. And if this is a guide, if you're a beginner, section a little out before you start cornrolling to the back. So can you please keep on watching this amazing video, and please do not forget to subscribe to my amazing channel. I really appreciate that. And please make sure you thumbs up this video, please guys. Oh my god, guys, just check out the final look. Oh my god, this came out so beautiful. See my next video. Stay blessed. Keep on watching to see how the back of the hair looks like. Oh my god, the back really formed the bob.